Hey there, welcome back to the Integrated Leader Podcast. This week we're exploring project management for humans, not just tasks. Because let's be honest, most of us don't need more software. We need clarity, rhythm, and systems that actually fit how people work. So let's start here. Have you ever set up a brand new tool, something like Asana, ClickUp, Trello, Salesforce, Redtail, whatever, and you feel great about it for 2 days? And then 2 weeks later, no one's using it. You're back to juggling projects in your head, chasing updates in Slack, and wondering if anything is actually getting done. It happens all the time. It's very normal, and here's why. Tools don't fix chaos. They reveal it. The truth is, project management system, no matter how shiny or sophisticated, is just a mirror. It reflects the habits your team already has, not the ones you wish they did. The system doesn't lead, you do. So when things fall through the cracks, it's not because the tool isn't good. It's because the team doesn't have shared agreements about how to use it. No discipline, no rhythm. Think about it. How many systems have you abandoned because you were missing a workflow, not a feature? And that's where the leadership comes in. Your job isn't to master a tool. Your job is to create clarity and consistency, to set the cadence, to create shared understanding of what's important, who's doing what, and how we know when it's done. So let me give you 3 practical ideas to help you reset if your systems are starting to slide. Number 1, build in small rituals. Rituals are the glue that keep systems together. Think of the team that always kicks off Monday stand-up with each person sharing their top priority for the week. It's not fancy, it's just consistent. Or maybe it's a Friday afternoon Slack message. Here's what I got done this week, here's what's coming next. These little signals tell everyone we're in this together and we are paying attention. So ask yourself, what's one simple ritual you could build into your team's week? It doesn't have to be big, but it does need to be consistent. Number 2, make the system serve the people, not the other way around. If you're buried in clicks and checklists, your system might be too complicated. Tools should make it easier to answer one question: what matters most right now? If it's not doing that, simplify, delete, and streamline. And number 3, close the loop. When someone finishes something, acknowledge it. Say, done, mark it off, give a fist bump, create the little dopamine hit. Because if people feel like their work disappears into a black hole, they stop updating the tool, they stop caring, and the whole thing breaks down. So here's your challenge for today. Pick one workflow, maybe onboarding a client, prepping for reviews, or your weekly leadership sync, and ask, do we have a clear rhythm here? Do people know when and how to check in? And could we add one small ritual to make it easier or more human? Try it, tweak it, see what happens. Tomorrow we're talking about how your team actually works. So hit follow and I'll meet you back here for that one. And remember, great leaders don't wait for perfect systems. They build simple ones and stick to them. Thanks for listening to the Integrated Leader Podcast. Remember, great leaders don't wait for others to change. They adapt first. Thanks for listening. If this helped, send it to a leader you trust, and let's keep getting better together. I'll see you tomorrow on the Integrated Leader Podcast.